Hey everyone, if you want to reduce manual spreadsheet work, automating Google Sheets with Zapier is a huge time saver. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automate Google Sheets step by step. First, sign in to your Zapier account and click Create, then choose Zap to start a new automation. Next, search for Google Sheets and select it as your trigger or action app depending on your workflow. Now choose a trigger event, like a new spreadsheet row, updated row, or new worksheet entry. Then connect your Google account and select the correct spreadsheet and worksheet. Once your trigger is ready, you can decide what happens next automatically. For example, you can send the data to Gmail, Slack, CRMs, or other apps. After that, set up your action step and map the columns from your Google Sheet like name, email, phone number, or any custom fields into the destination app. So run a test to make sure Zapier is pulling the correct row data and sending it properly to the next step. Finally, give your Zap a name and turn it on. From now on, your Google Sheets will update and sync automatically without any manual work. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully automated Google Sheets with Zapier. Now you can handle data entry and workflows much faster and easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.